grass, this side to the grass. It's the out. You can't go past this, out of bounds. Same thing on that side. You can't go past that milk crate. You can go as far back to the grass and all the way up here. There's no hitting anyone in the head with a water balloon. In the face, nothing. From the chin down, you can hit. You hit guys right there. Do it. You can't cross this line. You can go up to the line, you can throw, but you can't step over it. All your water balloons are right here. You get your water balloon, run, hit someone, but the key is you got to come here to get them, so you will get hit with a water balloon. We're doing the first round is what's in this container and what's in that container. When we're done with that, me and Meg are switching teams. We've got more water balloons over there, we'll refill the containers. We'll have round 2. Any questions?
Yeah, I don't want to get wet.
You can play anywhere in there. You go to the grass.
I'll be there. 2 minutes. Okay, everybody on your marks. I'm going to count 3 down to 0 and go. On your marks. 3. 2. 1, go! Holy shit. Look at Becky. She wants to get involved. Get him, Becky!
Oh my God.
Come on, guys. Start picking them up.
Jason, back here, Chuck. Get back. Get back.
Well, I just caught that.
Take a breath.
Jason, not ready.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, go, go, go!
That's a nice shot.
Nick is amazing second.
That's all right. I'll call her back. Happy?
Round two. Everybody in. Sacrificial.
Waiters on 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3,
Oh boy. Oh yeah, that's where I come in handy. Everybody ready? Yeah. Hold it. Charlie, get back to your line. Everybody on your starting mark. Okay, this time we're going to do it when I count to 3. So everybody on your starting line. Everybody ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go! What? Where the hell did it? Whoa! Oh! Hey, you're on the wrong side. Dirty.
Oh, Jesus, good.
Holy shit. She wants to be involved. Whoa. Who fell over?